The government has officially confirmed the suspension of all international trade, effective immediately. The value of the national currency is no longer supported.
In a world without finance, what will you stand for?
What happened?
Mama, where's the food? I don't know, honey.
No signal. Nothing. No buses.
Hey there, want a charge?
No, thanks. I don't need a phone anymore. I can't. Not yet.
Here, take some. Oh, thank you. Just passing it on.